Artificial intelligence, or AI, is everywhere, woven into the fabric of our daily lives, often in ways we don't even notice. It's creating art, composing music, and writing stories, things that once seemed impossible for a machine to do, and yet here we are, watching technology blur the lines between human imagination and digital innovation. Maybe you've seen those mind-blowing images online, or heard songs that sound eerily familiar but aren't by the original artist. These creations can be beautiful, strange, or even unsettling, but they all have one thing in common: they're powered by AI. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now, right on your phone or laptop, making creativity more accessible than ever before. AI is changing the creative world for everyone: writers, musicians, artists, and anyone who loves making things. It's opening doors for people who never thought they could create, and giving professionals new tools to push their work even further. What used to require years of practice, expensive equipment, or specialized training is now accessible to millions with just a few clicks or taps. Anyone with a spark of curiosity can experiment, learn, and share their creations with the world. You don't need a PhD or a supercomputer anymore, just an app and an idea. The barriers to entry are lower than ever, and the possibilities are almost endless. But with this new power come big questions. Questions about what it means to be creative, and who gets to call themselves an artist in this new era. Is it still art if a computer helps make it? Can a machine truly be creative, or is it just following instructions? And what happens to creative jobs? Will AI replace artists, writers, and musicians, or will it become a tool that helps them reach new heights? In this video, we'll break down what AI-generated content really is, how it works behind the scenes, and how you can use it to boost your own creativity, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. We'll also tackle the tough stuff, the ethical dilemmas, the risks, and the debates that are shaping the future of creativity. Think of this as your guide to the new creative landscape, a roadmap to help you navigate the exciting, sometimes confusing world of AI-powered creativity. Is AI a game changer, a threat, or both? Let's find out together and see how you can make the most of this new creative partner in your pocket. Let's get clear on what AI means here. Specifically, generative AI. You've probably heard the term thrown around a lot lately, but what does it actually do, and why is everyone talking about it? Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that's designed to create new content, whether that's text, images, music, or even code, by learning from huge amounts of existing data. These are models trained on massive amounts of data, text, images, music, and more, absorbing information from all corners of the internet and beyond. They learn patterns, styles, and structures from everything they process, picking up on the subtle details that make creative work unique. Think of it as an apprentice who's read every book, seen every painting, and listened to every song, soaking up the rules and techniques behind creativity, but without ever truly experiencing them. When you give it a prompt, like, write a story about a robot who discovers coffee, you're giving it a starting point, a seed for it to grow something new. The AI then builds something original from what it's learned, remixing ideas and styles it's seen before, but never simply copying. The magic is in the prompt. The more specific, creative, or detailed you are, the better and more tailored the result. It's like giving directions to a very fast, very smart assistant. You're not just pressing a button, you're collaborating, guiding the AI to shape your vision. It's a back and forth process where your ideas and feedback help steer the outcome. But remember, AI doesn't feel or understand like we do. It's a pattern-matching machine, not a human mind. It doesn't have intuition, emotions, or personal experiences. It knows which words or notes go together, but not what they mean emotionally. It can mimic the style of a love letter or a suspenseful story, but it doesn't know what love or suspense actually feels like. That's why it's a tool for remixing and mimicking creativity, not replacing the human spark. It can help you brainstorm, draft, and experiment, but it can't replace your unique perspective or imagination. Understanding this helps us use AI wisely, as a powerful assistant, not a new consciousness. It's here to help you work faster, explore new ideas, and push creative boundaries, but it's not here to take over. It's about partnership, not replacement. The best results come when humans and AI work together, each bringing their strengths to the table. The real creativity still comes from you, your choices, your taste, your vision. AI is just another tool in your creative toolbox. Use AI to amplify your ideas, not to define them. Let it inspire you, help you experiment, and take your work in new directions, but always remember that you're in control. That's the key to making the most of this technology. Embrace it as a collaborator, and let your creativity lead the way. For writers everywhere, AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini are truly changing the game. These digital assistants are no longer just futuristic concepts. They're practical, everyday partners for anyone who works with words. Ever found yourself stuck on a blank page, unsure how to begin? Instead of waiting for inspiration to strike, you can now ask AI for opening lines, detailed outlines, or even a list of catchy titles to jumpstart your creativity. It's like having a brainstorming session at your fingertips, anytime you need it. Think of it as having a brainstorming partner on call, always ready to help you get started, organize your thoughts, or even suggest new directions for your story or article. The AI never gets tired or runs out of ideas. Need to polish your writing? Simply paste in a paragraph and ask for a more engaging, concise, or even a more formal version. The AI can instantly offer suggestions, helping you see your work from a fresh perspective. AI can suggest alternative phrases, reword sentences, and make your work clearer, more professional, and easier to read. It's like having an editor on standby, ready to help you refine every sentence. This is especially helpful for non-native speakers, students, or anyone looking to refine their style and sound more natural in English. AI can help you learn as you write, offering tips and corrections along the way. But it's not just about fixing mistakes. AI can actually spark new ideas. Ask it to write a dialogue, generate metaphors, or brainstorm plot twists, and you might discover creative angles you hadn't considered before. Treat AI as a collaborator. It provides raw material, inspiration, and structure, but you're the one who shapes the final product, adding your unique voice and perspective. The vision, the taste, and the finishing touch, that's all you. AI can help you get there, but your creativity is what makes your work truly original. Use AI to break through creative blocks, generate new ideas, and speed up your workflow, but never let it replace your unique voice or personal style. The best results come from blending machine suggestions with your own creativity. When you combine the power of AI with your imagination, you can take your writing to exciting new heights. Music creation is no longer limited to trained musicians or expensive studios. AI tools can turn a simple hum into a full track, add beats, or compose orchestral scores. No instrument required. You become the producer, guiding the AI to build a song around your ideas. Filmmakers can generate custom background music in minutes, perfectly tailored to their scenes. This opens doors for creators who never learned to play an instrument. AI isn't here to replace musicians, but to expand creative possibilities and lower barriers. It's a tool for rapid prototyping and experimentation. For many, AI will be their first instrument, a way to explore music without years of training. The creative potential is huge, and it's just getting started. AI art tools like Midjourney and DALL are revolutionizing visual creativity. Type a prompt, and the AI generates stunning original images in seconds. For artists and designers, it's a powerful way to brainstorm and visualize ideas instantly. Game designers, for example, can get multiple character concepts with a single prompt. But there are big questions about ownership. AI art often can't be copyrighted, and it sometimes mimics living artists' styles. The laws are still catching up, making commercial use tricky. Still, the creative boost is undeniable. Photographers, designers, and illustrators are using AI for inspiration and unique assets. It's another tool in the digital toolbox, not a replacement for human creativity. The key is to use it responsibly and stay aware of the ethical debates. AI art is changing the rules, and we're all learning as we go. AI isn't just about creating, it's about working smarter. It handles time-consuming tasks, freeing you to focus on what matters most, your unique ideas. Content creators can use AI to draft blog posts, generate social captions, and create images, all from one idea. Productivity soars, letting you produce more content and grow your audience faster. New AI video editors can cut, add music, and generate captions automatically, making creation accessible to everyone. The result? More time for experimentation and creativity. AI takes care of the repetitive work, so you can develop your voice and connect with your audience. It's about efficiency, not just speed. Let AI handle the how. so you can focus on the what and why. With all this power, there are real challenges. Job security is a concern. AI can automate some creative work, changing the industry landscape. Copyright and data privacy are hot issues, as AI is trained on content from real people, often without permission. There's also the risk of misuse. Deepfakes and misinformation are easier to create than ever. As AI tools become more realistic, it's harder to tell what's real and what's not. And if everyone uses the same tools, will creativity become bland and repetitive? AI is a tool, but true innovation still needs bold human choices. So how do you use AI responsibly as a creator? Stay in control. Use AI as a starting point. Then add your own style and expertise. Edit, tweak, and make the final product yours. Be transparent. Let your audience know when AI played a role in your work. Honesty builds trust and helps normalize AI as a creative tool. Always fact-check. AI can make mistakes or invent details, so review everything carefully. Think of AI as a helpful but sometimes unreliable intern. Keep learning. AI evolves fast, so stay curious and experiment with new tools and techniques. The best creators will adapt, blending AI's power with their own vision. Use AI to enhance, not replace, your creativity. The future belongs to those who are open, ethical, and willing to learn. Make AI your creative partner, not your boss. So is AI-generated content a game changer or a threat? It's both. AI gives more people creative power, speeds up workflows, and sparks new ideas. But it also challenges our ideas about art, ownership, and the value of human skill. The technology is neutral. It's how we use it that matters. AI can't feel or truly understand creativity. That's still our domain. Don't fear it. Explore it, learn its strengths and weaknesses, and use it to handle the boring stuff. Let it inspire you when you're stuck, but never let it replace your unique voice. The future isn't humans versus machines, it's humans collaborating with machines. The tools are here. Now it's up to you to decide what to build. Embrace the possibilities, but stay true to your creative self. AI is a tool. What you create with it is up to you. The next chapter of creativity starts now.